Vandeham Sri Guru.
The following is a class on the Bhagavad Gita as it is, 7th chapter, text number 6, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on the 11th of December, 1976, in Hyderabad, India.
Sri Rupam Chakrajatam.
Without joining the different forms of life, just like here, we are human beings, the cows, the dogs, the ants, the trees, the plants, so many different forms of life. Every one of us, we are living beings. But according to our karma, we have got different bodies. This time we have got different dress. We are all human beings, but we have got different dresses. Similarly, Sarvani Bhutani, all living entities, they are all Krishna's part and parcel, but they have refused to cooperate with Krishna. They wanted to enjoy material life independently, therefore different forms of bodies are there. But Krishna is the cause. Krishna is like Father. Father is the cause of the sons. But the sons may be different. Not exactly all the sons are of the equal pattern. Similarly, we are originally all part and parcel or sons of God. Therefore, God's qualities are there in us, very minute quantity. Because we are very small. So the quality is there, just like drop of water from the ocean. The taste is there. The taste of the ocean, salty, is there in the drop of ocean water. There is no difference. Only the difference is quantity and quality, they are one. Quality, the salty, taste, quality, that is one. Any drop of the ocean, you can take the salty taste, but the drops may be of different quantity and the ocean is very, very big. This is called Achinta Bhedabhed. Simultaneously, one and different, one in quality. So, qualitatively, we are one. God is good. So, in quality, we are good. We are not bad. And why you have become bad? Because we are now differently dressed. The heart moves the dog is thinking, I am dog. And a man is thinking, I am man. Cat is thinking, I am cat. He is neither cat, neither dog, neither human being. He is part and parcel of God. Aham Brahmasmi. This is self-realization. I am not this body, just like we are differently dressed. So I am not the dress. I am human being. You are human being. Pandita Samadarshina. That those who are learned scholars, they do not find any difference between cat and a Brahmana. because the Brahmana is also a living entity and the cat is also a living entity, is differently dressed. So we have to rectify this mistake that we are not this body, this is our external covering. We are spirit soul, part and parcel of Krishna. That is the stage of liberation. Sarupena avasthati. Now we are acting according to the covering. When we shall not act according to the covering, but according to our constitutional position, that is liberated platform. Krishna consciousness means when we understand that we are part and parcel of Krishna, therefore our duty is to serve Krishna. This is self-realization, this is liberation. When you are fully convinced about this fact that we are all part and parcel of Krishna, our only duty is to serve Krishna. Then you are liberated. Because the bhakti science means to Cetadatmana marjanam. We are differently conscious. Somebody thinking I am American, somebody I am Indian. This is not our identification. The identification when I shall think, as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gives us information, Jive Sarupa Nitya Krishna Das. That is self-realization. So Krishna says, Etat jonini bhutani sarvani iti upodharaya aham krishnasya jagata prabhava pralayastasha. They are caused by me, Krishna says. The body is the material, earth, water, air, fire, ether, mind, intelligence, ego. They are also emanating from Krishna. Prakriti, bhinna prakriti me astada. The difference is they are not in touch with Krishna, but it is Krishna's energy. Just when I am speaking and it is being recorded, when it will be replayed, you will find that I am speaking, but that speaking is separate. The speaking has come from me, but in the tape record, it appears that it is separated, or it is separated. In one sense it is not separated because originally it comes from me. In another sense it is mechanical going on. Similarly, this material world is also Krishna. Idam hi visham bhagavan ivetara. This material world is emanating from Krishna. Aham sarvasya prabhava. I am the origin of everything. Everything means there are two things. One jor and one cheta. Matter and spirit. There are two things. The matter is coming from Krishna and the spirit is also coming from Krishna. Therefore he is the original cause. Sarva karana karana. Ishvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadi Radi Govinda Sarva karana karana. He is the cause of matter and is cause of spirit also. So, Sarvam Khalidam Brahma. Everything is from Brahma. Krishna is the supreme Brahma. Vedanta says, Janmadasya Jata. Everything is coming from. Therefore Krishna says, Etat Jonini, although this Joni, the different types of living entities are there, 8 million foreign. Etat Jonini Bhutani Sarvani Chura. Aham Krishnasa. They're all caused by me. Aham Krishnasa. Krishnasa means of everyone. Their body is also mine, and they are spirit soul, they are also mine. So everything is Krishna. So therefore, this body, I am claiming it is my body. It is not my body. It is Krishna's. Krishna is giving it. Just like father gives the dress to the children. Actually, the dress belongs to the father. So, when we understand this body is also Krishna's energy, I am also Krishna's energy, my intelligence is Krishna's energy, and my identification is also with Krishna. In this way, when we realize fully, that is Krishna consciousness. And when Krishna withdraws, then it is finished. This Krishna, when he withdraws the spirit soul from the body, then the body remains, and in due course of time, the body becomes dust thou art, dust thou beest. It is mixed up, pancha tattva prapta. Again, the body is mixed up. It's like from the earth, you make so many different types of forms. Again, when it is broken, it falls down on the earth, and in due course, it becomes earth again. So, this change is going on of the external body, not of the spirit soul. The spirit soul is individual, Krishna is individual, and it continues. Every one of us, we are individual in the past, we are individual at the present moment, and we shall continue to be individual in future. But when we are covered by this material body, this individuality becomes differentiated. Otherwise, even though individual, we are spirit soul, we are one. Spirit soul, and without any material contamination, our relationship is permanent. Krishna is the origin, Master, Prabhu, and we are emanation from Krishna, servants. So when this relationship continues, then there is no impediment on account of this bodily cover. Rishikesha sevanam bhakti. When we are not contaminated by the body, we remain pure. With that senses, when we serve Krishna, that is our liberation. That is called bhakti. Thank you very much.